This is a 2022 NCEE past question, diet 3. But if you have not seen the diet 1 and the diet 2, do well to do it because this is the continuation, diet 3. And what we have in this sample is 3 times 5 times 2. It will give us 60. Now, if 4 is not given, what we are going to do is 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. 24 divided by 6, it will give us 4. Now, if 2 is not given, you multiply these 2, it will give us 12. 24 divided by 12, it will give us 2. If 3 is not given, you will do 2 times 4, 8. 24 divided by 8, it will give us what? 3. Now, let's use that concept to solve question number 21 to 23. Now, in this very question number 21, we are looking for the value that will be here. So what I will do now is 5 times 8, it will give us 40. 120 divided by 40, it will give us 3, which is option A. We move to question number 22. In question number 22, we have, this is the part that we are looking for, which is 4 times 3 is 12. 60 divided by 12, it will give us 5. That is option B. We proceed to question number 23. In question number 23, this is the part that we are looking for. And for us to obtain it, we multiply these 3 numbers that we have here, which is 8 times 5 will give us 40. 40 times 6 will give us 240. Sample H. What they did here is very simple. 13 times 13 is 169. 169 minus 89 will give us 80. Okay? For this one, we have 3 over 4 times 3 over 4. It will give us 9 over 16. 9 over 16 minus 6 over 16. It will give us 3 over 16. For this one, if you do 15 plus 21, it will give us 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So let's follow that concept to solve question number 24 to 27. In question number 24, what we are going to do here is this. We will do 1 plus 3. And 1 plus 3 will give us 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2. We move to question number 25. In question number 25, what we are going to do here is 5 times 5, it will give us 25. 25 minus 5, it will give us 20. So answer to question number 25 is 20, option D. We move to question number 26. In question number 26, what we are going to do here is this. We are looking for the number that will be here, which is 1 plus 7 over 9. It will give us what? 1 whole number, 7 over what? 9, which is the same thing as what? 16 over 9. And the square root of 16 over 9 is what? Is 4 over 3. And this 4 over 3 is the same thing as what? 1 whole number, 1 over 3. So answer to question number 26 is option C. That is 1 whole number, 1 over 3. We move to question number 27. In question number 27, what they did here is this. You will do 8 times 8, 64. Now 64 minus 25, it will give us 39. So in question number 27, answer to question number 27 is 39, which is option C. For sample I, what they did here is very simple. You will do 2 plus 3, 5. 2 times 3, 6. 1 over 2 plus 2, 2 and a half. 1 over 2 times 2, 1. 4 plus 1 over 2, 4 and a half. 4 times 1 over 2, 2. So let us apply this in solving question number 28 to question 30. So for this is the part that we are looking for. And what we will do now is 1 minus 1 over 2. It will give us 1 over 2, which is option C. We move to question number 29. What they did here is, what we are going to do, we are looking for this part. So it will be 11 times 16. It will give us 176. Now we move to the last part of diet 3, which is, this is the part that we are looking for. So we will do 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. It will give us 1 over 2, which is option E. See you in diet 4. Bye bye.